I-IEC ithi izibekele ukubhalisa isibalo esiphezulu sabavoti kulempelasonto. Bangu-27,000 abantu ababhalisa khathi kuvulwa ukubhalisa nyakenye.
The online registration platform has proved to be the mainstay of the registrations in between the general registration weekends. We recorded just under 200,000 new registrations since the registration weekend in November. Overall, registration activity in that period is 498,000. Again, this is a new feat never realized before.
I-IEC ifake nemishini esezingeni eliphezulu esebenza noma ngaphansi kwasiphi isimo.
The devices are designed to operate online via a secure private cellular data connection. However, all three applications have been coded to function fully without access to the network.
I-Gauteng iyona esahamba phambili ngesibalo esiphezulu sabantu ababhalisile. I-IEC iphokophela ukwenyusa futhi isibalo kulesifundazwe.
We are doing this because as early as 8 o'clock tomorrow, these facilities must be up and running so that the voters can comfortably go in and register.
Iziteshi zokubhalisa zizovulwa ngehora lesikhombisa ekuseni kuze kube ihora lesithupha ntambama.